The impossible starts with the belief that you can do it. Creation for us always starts with a pencil, pen, a piece of paper, and a question of what can we do that would be different, that hasn't been done before. Allure Brilliant, I mean, this is a very architectural design. And what we wanted to do was sort of suspend belief. So we started to take elements away of it. So when you look at it, it's almost as if you cannot believe that this faucet works. And it's somewhat magical when you see it work. And so what we try to capture is the intent of the original design, but to completely bring a little bit of this magic to the design. So we've kept the overall crisp character, but we've really lightened it with the use of the 3D printing technology.